How are you doing today? Let's have a quick recap of what we have done in the last session. So we are making online shopping website. We have created the admin user for our website, and we also added one model, that is buyer. In the same fashion, I have added few other models like card, product, order, and seller. Just a quick recap how to add a model. So I have written the three important main commands here. Whenever we want to add any model, let's say order, in our project, we have to run the first command, that is py manage.py startapp order. Run the command that is make migrations. So command is py manage.py make migrations. So this will actually create the migration but will not migrate. Hence, to migrate it to database, we need to run the last command py manage.py migrate. So this will migrate your to database. Okay, so let's get back to our project. So if you see, I have created a cart and there are attributes added to it. So far I have added only minimal attributes. I will add more and more when I will require in future, and also created the admin for each of the model that I have added. Okay, so let me open the website and we will see how it looks like so far. So this is my command prompt. Okay, we are there in our folder. So this is our website so far. Basically there is not a single HTML page, that's why it is showing default Django page. And if we go to the admin, okay, so now you are able to see that we have all the models created in our database. Okay, great. So now we are ready to go ahead and add the HTML pages to our website. Well, just a quick reminder, guys, whenever you add any model, don't forget to add the model name in the installed apps of the setting. So you can see I have added all the models over here. So far we have worked only on the model part of the MVT framework for the Django. You remember in first video I told that Django works on a MVT format or framework, model, view and template. So now today we will work on two other things, that is view and templates. So in our main module or main application, we will add two files, one folder and a file. The file name should be views.py. Okay, so we will need this views.py will be called when we want to work with our HTML pages. So I will show how to do that in a short while. And we also need to add the templates folder. The template folder we need to add inside our online shopping application. So I create a folder, name should be templates. Okay, all our HTMLs will reside in this folder. Okay, so let me add quickly one small template HTML file, that is our home HTML file, index.html. So this is our first HTML. I write quickly small code over here, give some title. Let's say our shopping website name is shopping way. So that's my title, and I will add one h1 tag here. This is shopping way website. Save it. Alright, so we have added the head and title for our first web page. Now this will not be called because though we have added the HTML page, we have to give the URL of the HTML page. If I suppose simply copy the path and go to HTML, it will be visible to us. So let me show it to you. So this is our basic HTML page. Yeah, but through our website, when we run the server, it should be visible. So that won't happen until unless we queue the URL. So we have to go to our base project in the URLs. So this is by default created URL file. All we have to add is our path for the home page. So since it is a home page, I don't want to write website/home or etc. If I suppose purchase certain domain shoppingbay.com, then I want my home page to be displayed when user enters shoppingbay.com. I don't want like shoppingbay.com/home. So I will not write any path over here, and then I mention views dot. So we have to call some method in the views dot. So my method name is home. Okay, so we have to mention which method to be called when this URL is hit. Well, there is nothing at the moment in the views. We will add it shortly. But before that, it won't understand views, so we have to include our views over here. That is, which views to be included. So this is from online shopping, not wait. So this is coming from online shopping. So remove this. Okay, now it will understand. But this complete, yeah, this is. So from online shopping, import views, and in that there will be a method home, which should be called when user enters the home URL. Okay, now we go to our views.py. It's empty blank file. How to add the code? So we go back to our Django documentation. Let's see. So this is our Django project website. Search for views.py. Base views, writing views. So I'm scrolling through writing views documentation for the Django. So there are many ways you can call your method and decide how it should respond. So first I will need HTTP response to my Django project. So I add this one. Secondly, I want to render my HTML page. So do the documentation again, search for render. Yeah, so I need Django shortcuts import render. Yep. And now I will write my method dev requests. So it looks like our web page is okay. Let's see if it works. So I'm back to command prompt. Let's clean it, and this is my okay. So it throws an error. It says template doesn't exist. So basically it is saying that I'm not able to find the HTML page because we have to mention where to look for all our templates or HTMLs. Okay, yeah, so that we have to go to setting.com and mention it here. Yeah, in the dirs we need to mention our templates. All HTMLs are going to be residing in the templates folders. We have to mention it here. So I have added. So what we are saying, in the base directory, which is this directory, Inside, this one where with project basically, in that there is a folder called as template, and you can find the HTMLs there. So we told that to our website. So let's run it again and see if it works. I press F5. Okay, good. This is our first HTML page from the website. You see in the title it is saying shopping bay, and the message given is this is shopping bay website. Great, we got our first web page. Okay, now we will add few more templates. That is login.html for our login page. We will also add one more, that is sign up. Okay. Okay, and we will add one temporary tag, h1 tag. This is sign up page. Okay, in the same way we will add HTML and h1 tag in our body of the page. That is, this is login page. Now we need to also mention the URLs. So I copy paste this 2 times because I need 2 URLs, one for login page, one for sign up page. So I say sign up slash and login slash. We need to now add method sign up. We'll write down in our views and login. Okay, so currently it is not there, so this is our views.py. We want to render login page and the sign up page, so I write method sign up and login. Yep, and the sign up method, when the URL sign up is placed, this page should be displayed, and when URL login is hit, login method will be called from the view.py, which will render the login page. So this is how Django works. So let's see if it is working. I'm restarting my server and I put URL. So yeah, it is saying this is sign up page, and I go to login page, and this is saying this is login page. Great. So URLs are okay and methods are called, and we are able to see. One more check we can do to see if our code is really called or not. So I can simply print in sign up method of view.py. Yeah, and I can also write here login method of. Okay, so let me close my server, restart server, and go to refresh the page. So this is showing the login page again. What's happening here? You will see a message in login method of view.py. So we are clear that view.py is called. So it is working. So the great, so far guys, we have created our templates in this video. It's nothing great, only one h1 tag is kept and 3 URLs are created for home, sign up and login. Now we have to do a lot more work on our home page in next video. So that's all for now guys, and see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.